formulation. Each capsule contains calcium ascorbate 500 milligrams. Kailangan mo talaga ng marami-raming tubig. So it's like that. This is yung binigay ulit sa akin ng Be Well Nutraceuticals Corporation. I would like to say thank you for sending me another supplements to boost my immune system as a healthcare provider, as a frontliner, as a COVID nurse. O diba? Yan, Be Well Nutraceuticals na ano na yung ribbon. And now we're going to open this ribbon. Hi everybody, my name is Anthony. In this video, eto na naman po ang isa sa mga very precious product by Be Well Nutraceuticals Corporation. Thank you again, and hindi ako magsasawang magpapasalamat because you have been trusting me, you have been trusting my vlogs, and here it is. Ito, nabuksan ko na to and para dito sa vlog, para makita nyo kung ano yung itsura ng Be Well Nutraceuticals. So, aalisin na natin itong ribbon. Ayan. And then, we're going to make a reveal. So, ito na nga yung reveal niya. Meron siyang seal. Ang sabi dito is, healing is not a goal. It is a way of living. O, diba? Ganda ng quote niya. Yan. Healthy is not a goal because it is a way of living. So, we are now going to break the seal. So, alisin na natin itong seal. Ayan. So, ang mangyayari ngayon is bubuksan na natin ito. And, ayan. So, this one is grabe, no? Ang daming, alam niyo yung parang party. Tapos, meron siyang ayan, informative. How to take care of yourself in this time of pandemic. So, sleep, tapos proper diet, exercise, and Be Well Vitamin C. Makikita nyo dyan. So, sleep at least 8 to 10 hours a day. So, dapat high fiber diet, umiwas sa mga matataas ang fat, salt, and sugar. So, mag-exercise ka at least 2 to 3 hours. O, diba? 2 to ilang beses sa isang week. So, 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 times a week. And Be Well C vitamins. So, dapat everyday mag-take ka ng vitamin C supplements or vitamin supplements. And here it is. Ito yung bagong Be Well C. So, calcium ascorbate. So, ayan. Calcium ascorbate, calcium citrate, and cholecalciferol vitamin D. Hindi lang pampaboost ng immune system, but also pampalakas ng skeletal framework natin, yung bones natin, yung muscles. So, ayan guys, ito yung box. And now, I'm going to take it off, itong box na to. So, I have here 200 capsule. Tama ba? Ayan, vitamin and minerals. So, marami, isang box po siya. Sobrang dami po niya. And we have here yung seal. Syempre, if you're going to buy a product, make sure na meron talagang seal. And we're going to remove the seal. Kasi, ayan, ganyan na siya. Nasira na tuloy. But anyway, we're going to reveal. Aangat natin ng konti. So, ayan. Iaangat natin ito. Ayun. Iaangat natin ng konti. So, ang mangyayari is like this. So, per pack siya. So, may isang blister mat. Contains 5. So, ayan. 10 capsules po siya. Nakadikit siya kaya hindi natin siya pwedeng... Ayun, nakadikit siya sa loob. So, it is like this. Ayun. Oh, this one. Ayan. Nakadikit po siya. And ganyan yung sa likod. And then, ayan. Blister pack po siya. So, it is fortified with calcium ascorbate, calcium citrate, and vitamin D. 1,000 mg calcium po siya. And yes, it enhances your musculoskeletal framework and immunity. So, I'm going to flip this camera para naman makita natin yung mga ingredients or yung mga details niya dito. So, para ma-appreciate natin. So, let's flip now the camera. Makikita nyo yung makalat na aking space. And here, so, andyan. Yung box is like that. Same din yung sa laman nito dito. So, ayan. Halos same sila dyan. And babasahin natin yung laman niya. Formulation. Each capsule contains calcium ascorbate 500 mg, equivalent to 206.548 na ascorbic acid, calcium citrate 500 mg, tapos cholecalciferol 200 IU. Tapos, ang indication niya dito is for the prevention and treatment of vitamin D deficiency. Tapos, dosage and administration. Adults, 1 to 2 capsules a day. So, available blister packs by 10. And then, yung expiration date niya, manufactured date, August 2021. And mag-expire po siya after 2 years. So, August 2023. And, syempre, store at room temperature. Never place this product sa bintana because, syempre, direct yung pagsinag ng araw. And, masisira yung product kapag may initan siya. And then, protect from heat, light, and moisture. O, diba? And do not refrigerate then. Do not put this product in the ref. Ayan, Be Well Nutraceuticals. Yan yung number nila. Be safe, be sure, be well. So, Be Well Nutraceuticals. And then, ano pa ba ang pwede nating makita dito? So, ayan guys, yung kanyang blister pack. So, it is in here, yung itsura niyang ng blister pack. It is colored, ganyan. And I'm guessing orange yung magiging itsura ng capsule. So, bubuksan na natin itong capsule after ng clip na ito. So, it's like that. Yung tatlong important or active ingredients niya. So, ayan. And now, we're going to tawag dito, demonstrate, o, diba? So, ayan yung product nilagay dito. And, napaka-special yung pagkakabalot, o, diba? And, meron pa silang, ayan, yung informative campaign. So, ganyan siya. The sleep, proper diet, exercise, be well, vitamins. So, yes, we are now going to have an actual demonstration. It is now time for the demonstration, syempre. I have here 1 glass of water. Pwedeng warm, pwedeng cold, pwedeng lukewarm. Any choice ng inyong water. And then we have here, dito sa blister pack. Buksan na natin siya. Malaki. I'm not sure kung malaki. Yes, malaking capsule po siya. And dito sa capsule, meron siyang Be Well C plus calcium. Ayan. Yung calcium niya is quite large. So, kailangan mo talaga ng marami-raming tubig. So, it's like that. Be Well C calcium. And it is now time for us to take this product. So, dapat maraming tubig para at least malakas yung panulak sa throat mo. So, the bigger, the better. Oo, malaki talaga siya. Okay. Question. Ano nga ba yung pinaka-best time? Ang masasabi ko lang, yung pinaka-best time nito is during sa after breakfast. Tapos, kung twice a day mo siya iti-take, after breakfast and after dinner. So, twice a day. Adults po yan. Pero for me, okay na yung once a day after breakfast. So, I can take it with meals. I can take it with other vitamins. Tapos, kung nakakataba po siya, it depends on your metabolism. Kung mabilis yung metabolism mo, most likely hindi. Pero pag alam mo yun, kapag nasa genes mo talaga, pwede siyang pampataba, pwede siyang pampalakas ng appetite. So, ang sinasabi nila, pwedeng pampataba ang vitamin C or vitamin supplements, lalong-lalo na kapag pinapalakas niya ang appetite mo. So, yes, pwede siyang pampataba if palalakasin niya yung appetite mo. But it depends on your body's metabolism. So, speaking of the price, ayan, nasabi ko naman siguro kanina yung price and kung saan siya mabibili. Mabibili po siya sa mga nationwide na drugstore outlets, lalo na sa mga kilalang drugstores such as Mercury Drug, sa Watsons, ayun. And you can ask lang sa mga pharmacist kung mayroon silang available na Be Well C. And then, kapag wala naman or tinatamad ka or naka-lockdown pa rin sa inyo, you can just purchase online sa link na ilalagay ko dyan. So, I have there the link ng Be Well Nutraceuticals para at least you will have an access online on where to purchase this product. So, ayan guys, calcium. And ang masasabi ko lang dito is, yung taste niya, wala siyang aftertaste. Wala siyang aftertaste. And hindi siya mapait. Yun nga lang, you need to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day para ma-replenish yung katawan mo. And for more hydration and para ma-flush din yung unnecessary na secretions sa katawan mo. So, you need to drink yon yung 8 to 10 glasses of water a day or even more than 10 glasses of water a day, especially ngayon na pandemic. Kailangan mo talaga na mag-boost ng immune system mo. Tapos, ang maganda dito is mararamdaman mo yung effect after siguro 1 week. Basta proper diet, proper exercise, umiwas kayo sa mga vices such as paninigarilyo or pag-iinom ng alak because it can really affect yung effect nito sa katawan. So, ayun guys, balanced diet and the proper discipline sa katawan. So, ayan, as a healthcare frontliner, I would say na I will recommend this product because it can really make a difference in your immune system by strengthening your immune system against pathogenic or opportunistic infections sa katawan mo. Ayan, if you have any questions, suggestions, mag-comment down below lang kayo or reach me at my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter. I'm going to respond as long as hindi ako busy for now kasi nag-duty pa rin ako. And yes guys, thank you for watching this vlog. I hope may natutunan kayo dito and I hope i-practice natin ang Health is Wealth na campaign para maiwasan natin yung transmission ng virus, especially sa COVID-19. Always wash your hands, matulog, proper diet, tapos umiwas sa mga masasamang bisyo. So, that's it guys. I hope I hope nakatulong ako sa inyong mind regarding sa pagpili ng best supplements para sa inyong katawan. So, once again, it is Be Well C, calcium ascorbate plus calcium citrate and cholecalciferol for your immunity musculoskeletal framework. So, that's it. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.